Actually, this really have a chance to be in a high place. Wow, this one was so great. Oh, so right now I'm gonna react to the winning chosen one from Serbia. The song is Hurricane by Hurricane is the name or the artist. Hasta La Vista. Almost like yeah. Another India vibe, but this gonna look wow. Oh, this one's good. This really like Golden Boy, but by the girl group version. Oh. Actually, this really have a chance to be in a high place. Wow, this one was so great. Like it's been really a long time Eurovision sending this kind of music, right? It's actually great. It just look like a Europe tradition music. Kinda love it. I mean the live performance is also great. The vocal when they like dancing and singing was still so good. Hasta la vista baby. Hasta la vista baby. It's catchy. Yeah, like the dancing was sexy but really powerful. Need to work more that part, but overall this one's so good. This is the Poland final 2. Also, this is not a grand final. Is that the live performance gonna look like that? That one was so great. It's really amazing. It's like a dancing songs and it has some of like a cool vibe bits. Oh, I mean they're dancing, singing, everything of it was so hot. I think it's gonna work well and people are gonna vote for that because it's actually amazing. Everything of it is really amazing. Also, basically I know the song is titled Hasta La Vista. Hasta La Vista baby. It's catchy, really catchy. Hasta La Vista. Oh, it's mean goodbye in Spanish. That one was so great. I mean, everything of it was so good. I need to listen to it more because it's like a dancing, but it has something called a Europe vibe. Like all the years, like all the songs I have heard, it has something like outside of Europe. Like it has some, and it has something called like a Euro vibe, an Indian vibe, and based off everything, I feel like that was really a song in top. It's only 24 songs, but I think this one is like a competition with Lithuania, and Latvia was actually great. Germany also was great. So that's all the thing I want to say. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope that Serbia this year will like get into top 5 because that was so amazing. Yeah, thank you guys for watching.